Hi, this is John. In this video clip, I will be taking you through step 1 in the procedure for installing a car stereo. Before we install our new stereo, we need to remove our old stereo, and the first step in that is to remove the faceplate that is covering up our old stereo. On this particular car, you just pull on the faceplate and the retaining clips will pop loose. Once you've removed the faceplate, you now have access to your old radio. As we take a look at these retaining clips, you'll notice that they are similar just to a small spring that is holding that faceplate on. In some cases you might need to get a screwdriver and pry it in there to help release these retaining clips.